The school bell rings, signaling the start of another day. Children rush to their lockers, their backpacks seemingly bigger than they are. Straps dig into their shoulders as they hoist the heavy bags onto their backs. This is a familiar scene in schools worldwide. But behind this everyday routine lies a hidden threat to children's health: the impact of heavy backpacks on posture. Imagine a child carrying a backpack that weighs more than 10% of their body weight. This seemingly small detail can have significant consequences. It's time to shed light on this often overlooked issue and understand how we can better protect our children's well-being. One of the most common postural problems associated with heavy backpacks is forward head posture, or FHP. Imagine your head jutting forward like a turtle peering out of its shell. This is FHP, a misalignment where the head sits in front of the shoulders instead of directly above. To understand the severity of FHP, we look at the craniovertebral angle, or CVA. This angle, formed between your neck and head, decreases as FHP worsens. A smaller CVA indicates a more pronounced forward head position, putting strain on the neck and spine. Studies have shown a clear link between heavy backpacks and postural changes in children. Research indicates that backpacks heavier than 10% of a child's body weight can lead to immediate and significant alterations in posture. When this weight reaches 15% or more, children often exhibit increased forward head positions and report discomfort in their necks. The long-term consequences of carrying heavy backpacks extend beyond simple discomfort. Over time, this strain can contribute to musculoskeletal issues like chronic back pain, neck pain, and even rounded shoulders. These problems can persist into adulthood, impacting a child's quality of life for years to come. Section 4. Beyond the physical, psychological, and emotional impacts. The impact of poor posture goes beyond the physical realm. Studies have shown a correlation between poor posture and decreased concentration levels in children. The physical discomfort can be distracting, making it challenging for them to focus on their studies and participate actively in class. This can lead to academic difficulties and frustration. Furthermore, the psychological effects of poor posture should not be underestimated. Posture can influence self-esteem and confidence. Children with poor posture may feel self-conscious about their appearance, leading to decreased self-worth and increased anxiety. Section 5. A call to action: lightening the load for healthier futures. Addressing the issue of heavy backpacks requires a multifaceted approach involving parents, schools, and policymakers. Parents can start by ensuring their children's backpacks weigh no more than 10% of their body weight. Encourage them to use both straps, pack only essential items, and seek lighter backpack options. Schools can contribute by providing lockers for students to store heavy books and implementing policies that promote digital textbooks or lighter learning materials. Educating students on proper backpack use, including adjusting straps and distributing weight evenly, is crucial. Policymakers can play a role by investing in research and implementing guidelines for backpack weight limits. By working together, we can lighten the load for our children and pave the way for healthier, brighter futures.